Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing essential gardening tools for beginners. Let's start with the basics. Every beginner gardener needs a good pair of gardening gloves. Gardening gloves protect your hands from scratches and keep them clean. Next up, a sturdy trowel is a must-have for digging small holes and planting. A lightweight garden fork feeds and loosening soil. For watering your plants, a watering can with a narrow spout helps to avoid over-watering. To keep your plants hydrated, invest in a good quality garden hose with an adjustable nozzle. A wheelbarrow will come in handy for transporting heavy soil, mulch, or plants. When it comes to pruning, a sharp pair of pruning shears is necessary for trimming branches. If you have larger shrubs or trees, a pruning saw is a great tool. To keep your garden tidy, a garden rake is perfect for removing leaves and debris. For maintaining a neat edge along sidewalks or garden beds, a garden edger is ideal. Having a durable garden hoe is essential for breaking up soil and removing weeds. Don't forget about a garden shovel for tasks such as lifting soil or transplanting larger plants. A garden kneeler pad will help make gardening more comfortable and protect your knees. To keep your plants healthy, invest in a high-quality pair of scissors for precise pruning. If you're planning on growing vegetables, a seedling tray can help you start seeds indoors. For more advanced gardeners, a soil pH tester can ensure proper soil conditions for your plants. Remember, always clean and maintain gardening tools to extend their lifespan. Now it's time for today's call to action. Make sure to comment down below with your favorite gardening tool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts.